Hi, today I am going to discuss with you about two conjunctions. They are because and so. Because and so both are conjunctions. They used to connect two words, two sentences, not words. Because and so both are connect two sentences. So first of all, we have to understand what is the meaning and definition of conjunction. Conjunction is a word, it is used to connect two words or sentences. So conjunctions are connecting words, they connect two words or sentences. Because and so both are conjunctions, often they are confuses. So let me clear you what's the difference between because and so. What's the difference between because and so? Where do you use because and so? So when we use because used to show reason of an action. Reason of an action. Because used to talk about reason of an action. When we use so denote result of an action. So denotes result, because denotes reason. For example, let me clear you by writing some example here. Rama missed the bus. Rama missed the bus. Why did he miss the bus? What's the reason is there? Because when you talk about reason, that time come because he came late. He missed the bus because he came late. This is the reason. Another example. Suma learned English. Suma learned English very soon. Suma learned English very soon. Why did she learn English? Why did she learn English very soon? What's the reason is there? Because her father taught her. Because her father taught her very well, because he is English teacher. Another example. He cut the tree. He cut the tree. Why did he cut the tree? Because he cut the tree because it was a thorny tree. Thorny tree. It was a thorny tree. Means the tree has thorns on it. It troubles to the people. That's why he cut that tree. So because used to denotes reason of an action. So now we focus on so. Where do you use so? So is denote result of an action. For example, Rama missed the bus because he came late. He came late. He came late. What happened after? When we ask the question, what happened after? What's the result of this action? He came late, so he missed the bus. He missed the bus. So he missed the bus. This is the result. Another example. He didn't study well. He didn't study well. What happened after? What's the result of this action? He didn't study well. What's the result of this? So he failed. So he failed. This is the result of an action. This is the result of he didn't study well. Another example. It was a thorny tree. It was a thorny tree. The tree has thorns on it. So, what's the result of this? What happened after? So, he cut it. So, he cut it. Another example. Her father taught. Her father taught her very well. Her father taught her very well. What's the result of this? What happened after? So she learned very soon. This is the result of an action. So because is describe reason of an action, because is denote reason, so is denote result. When we talk about result, we use so. When we talk about reason, we use because. So this is the difference between because and so. When we use because, Rama missed the bus. Rama missed the bus. Why did he miss the bus? When we ask the question why, the answer come reason, that time we use because he came late. When we use the question to result, what happened after? What's the result of that? What happened after? What's the result of that? When we ask the question what happened after? He came late. What happened after? What's the result of this? He came late. So he missed the bus. So is describe result. So is denote result. Because is denotes reason of an action. This is the difference between because and so. And I hope you have understood what's the difference between because and so, and you are able to write in your examples using by because and so, and you are able to use these two conjunctions in your spoken English. Thank you very much.